When you search for range hoods, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, FIREGAS Range Hood. The FIREGAS Range Hood is a sleek 36-inch under-cabinet model that caught my eye with its modern stainless steel design. Priced at $84.99, it's a solid choice for those seeking functionality without breaking the bank. If you want an effective way to keep your kitchen air fresh, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this range hood could be a game changer for you. With a powerful 300 CFM airflow capacity and a 2-speed exhaust fan, it efficiently removes smoke and odors while cooking. The ultra-quiet operation, under 57 decibels at high speed, means you won't drown out your kitchen conversations. Plus, the included energy-saving LED light provides just the right amount of brightness for your cooking tasks. What really stands out is the multi-layer aluminum filter that effectively traps grease and oil, keeping your kitchen cleaner. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, it might take a little patience, but once it's up, you'll appreciate the performance and quality. If you're not DIY savvy, it could be a deal breaker, but if you're willing to put in the effort, you'll reap the benefits. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly range hood that doesn't sacrifice quality. Skip this one if you want something with a higher airflow or more advanced features, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the installation hassle of the FIREGAS bothered you, this next one might be even easier to deal with. Product number 2, SNDOAS Range Hood. The SNDOAS Range Hood is another solid under-cabinet option, measuring 30 inches and priced at just $72.44. Its sleek black finish and slim design immediately caught my attention. If you want something that saves space while still looking modern, this is worth a serious look. It features a 2-speed fan and a built-in energy-efficient LED light that illuminates your cooking area nicely. Plus, it offers ducted and ductless installation options, giving you flexibility in how you set it up. The pre-drilled holes for installation are a thoughtful touch, saving you time and hassle. However, some users mentioned that the suction power was on the lower side for heavy cooking sessions. But here's the thing, for light to moderate cooking, it handles odors and smoke quite well. If you're not cooking gourmet meals every night, it should serve you just fine. This is perfect for you if you're in a small space and want a stylish, compact range hood. Skip this one if you need high suction power for serious cooking, but for everyday use, it's a fantastic option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want high performance. Product number 3, IKTCH Range Hood. The IKTCH 30-inch built-in range hood stands out with its sleek design and powerful performance, priced at $299. This isn't just about looks, it's a serious contender if you're after great airflow. If you want a range hood that combines functionality with modern features, this is worth a serious look. The 4-speed settings let you customize suction power based on your needs, and it operates quietly, with noise levels starting at just 40 decibels. Plus, the gesture sensing and touch control panel make it super user-friendly. The included dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters are easy to maintain, ensuring that your kitchen stays clean. Now, some reviews pointed out that the remote control feature can be finicky. Here's the thing, while it's a nice addition, you can still use the touch controls, which work reliably. If you're not a fan of techie gadgets, it might be a minor drawback, but it shouldn't deter you from this powerhouse. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and need a range hood that can keep up with your culinary adventures. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler design without tech features. But for those who want high performance, it's definitely worth the investment. Moving on, if the price of the IKTCH made you hesitate, the next one offers excellent value without sacrificing too much power. Product number 4, Zimaga's Range Hood. The Zimaga's 30-inch under-cabinet range hood is a budget-friendly option at just $75.94, making it an attractive choice for those who want a reliable hood without spending too much. Its simple design caught my attention, And if you're looking for something functional, this is worth a serious look. The 2-speed fan gives you flexibility depending on what you're cooking. Plus, it features a bright LED light that illuminates your cooking space beautifully. The aluminum mesh filter is designed to capture grease efficiently, which means less cleaning for you. However, some users noted that it might not be powerful enough for larger kitchens with heavy cooking needs. But here's the truth, if you're cooking simple meals or have a smaller kitchen, it does the job well. It's a practical choice if you're not looking for anything extravagant. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want a reliable range hood for everyday cooking. Skip this one if you have a large kitchen and need heavy-duty suction, but for the price, it's a solid pick. Finally, if you want something that's a bit more established, the last product on our list is a staple in many kitchens. Product number 5, Broan New-Tone Range Hood. The Broan New-Tone 413001 non-ducted range hood is priced at $89 and is one of the most popular options out there, with over 20,300 reviews. Its classic white design is versatile, making it easy to fit into any kitchen decor. If you want a tried-and-true option that's widely trusted, this is worth a serious look. What I appreciate about this range hood is its effective non-ducted filtration system, which removes smoke and odors from your cooking space. It features a 2-speed fan and separate light controls for customizable use. The LED lighting is bright enough to illuminate your cooking area, and the charcoal filter is replaceable, ensuring you maintain optimal performance. Still, some users mention that the airflow isn't the strongest, especially compared to ducted models. Here's the thing though, if you're not doing heavy frying or grilling, it manages well for everyday cooking. It's perfect for those who want a simple solution without the need for ductwork. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, low-maintenance hood for light cooking. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty performance, but for the value it provides, it's a solid choice. To sum it all up, we've looked at the FIREGAS and SNDOAS for budget-friendly options, the powerful IKTCH for serious cooks, the Zamagas for those seeking reliability, and the Broan New-Tone as a trusted, straightforward choice. Depending on your kitchen size and cooking style, there's definitely a perfect range hood for you.